Flip the phone. Yes, this happened. The cinematic sequence you're about to watch in a few moments was filmed entirely with the newest Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G smartphone. Let's watch it first and talk about video features after. Okay, so let's test if the phone is also waterproof. Let's face it, a smartphone is the most convenient filmmaking tool out there. It's usually with you wherever you go. Pull it out of your pocket, one tap, and boom, you're ready to go. This is the director's view, which enables you to film from front and the back camera both at the same time, and you can also seamlessly crop in with different cameras, which really enhances the storytelling. And we are in the middle of dramatic footsie match between former champion Philip and current champion Blaž, who will win and out. And I got to admit that Samsung really delivered. With this one, you have an excellent video and photo camera system with 5 different image sensors available. It's capable of doing 8K 24 frames per second video, 4K 60 frames per second video, and 1080p at 240 frames per second slow motion, which is amazing. If filming in 8K, you can also do the video snap feature to pull out 33 megapixel stills from the 8K clips, meaning you can literally capture every moment with a really good image quality. You can totally use this phone to capture cinematic footage of your travel adventures, and to prove it, here is another short example filmed entirely with Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G phone. Anyway, the feature I was most curious to test is the image stabilization. All the lenses and resolutions have the basic optical image stabilization, which works really well in most situations, for example for any handheld filming. Like the video you are watching right now is shot handheld and it's really smooth. But for extreme scenarios, you'll want to turn on the super steady mode, which is now available in 60 FPS as well, meaning you can also slow down your footage. I tested it in arguably the most extreme scenario possible by mounting Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G on my FPV drone. A lot of micro vibrations and shaking are happening when you are flying, so I was actually positively surprised that I managed to get stable footage with a smartphone on FPV drone. The only little bummer for me personally is that super steady mode is only available in 1080p resolution, because it basically crops into 4K footage and stabilizes it, but the video quality is still good enough. The intro sequence was a combination of 4K and 1080p videos, and in my opinion they blended together seamlessly. And for photography, I got the 108 megapixel main wide angle camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, and a second one with 10 times optical zoom. And on the front you have a 40 megapixel selfie camera. The 5th hole on the back is actually for the laser autofocus sensor, and I can confirm that autofocus works great. It focuses with precision exactly where you tap, and it will also track the face or object that you select. And there's a bunch of other features we haven't even talked about yet, like portrait video, where you can adjust the background blur intensity, portrait photo, food photo, night photo that offers great dynamic range, Pro video to manually adjust settings to your liking, and 10-bit color depth video for better color grading, and so much more. And we will talk more about those in detail in the YouTube review. You know me, I like to really thoroughly test new gear before giving you my feedback, and I will see you in the next video.